This tutorial will explain how to use occCite, a set of R-based tools for downloading, managing, and citing biodiversity data. Our aim with occCite is to continue the data cycle from primary provider to published manuscript by maintaining the links between occurrence data and primary providers once data is downloaded from database aggregators. At its simplest, occCite allows you to search for occurrences for a single species. If you plan to query GBIF, you will need to provide your user login information. I've provided a dummy login here to show you the format, but you will need to provide your actual account information. You input a species name, the data sources. At this point, GBIF and BN are the two databases that are available. You will provide your login information and a path to a download directory for your occurrence data. The query will take some time, as you can see here. This is a good time to go get a cup of coffee and come back. Now that the query is done, we can take a look at a summary of the simple occurrence object. You see here that the occCite query occurred on this date. The query type was a user-supplied list of taxa, in this case a list of 1. The sources for the taxonomic rectification were NCBI and EOL. Taxonomic cleaning results are as follows. And we got over 1,000 occurrence point records for Protea cynaroides from 19 sources. Because GBIF was included in our search, we also get some information specific to GBIF, namely the date that the database was accessed and the DOI that was created for our specific dataset. We can get citations very easily by submitting the occCite object to the occCite function, which will then produce citations. We can then generate a citation document very easily using the results of the occCitation function, shown here. occCite also has some more advanced features. First, if you have a previously prepared download, such as one that may have been prepared by doing a search on the GBIF website, you can simply change check previous GBIF download to true. Then occquery will look on the GBIF servers to see if you have any previously prepared downloads that match the specified taxon name. You can also speed up a search if you have a download already on your local machine. In this case, occquery will actually look for zip files that have been downloaded from the GBIF servers previously, and will return the most recent download that matches the taxonomic name. Finally, if you have a phylogenetic tree for which you would like to download all of the occurrence points available, you can do that too. Here we read in a phylogenetic tree, which is now plotted, so you can see. I can then pass that tree into study taxon list, and study taxon list will read all of the names in the tree and rectify those by comparing them to the NCBI database. We can then pass the results from study taxon list into occquery, just as we have done previously. Again, because this can take time, and now we are downloading 12 taxa instead of just 1, we are going to check for previous GBIF downloads. And get another cup of coffee. We can now pass the results from occquery into occCitation just as we did before. And we can generate a citation document exactly the same too. That's all there is to it. Simple. Thank you for watching this occCite tutorial.